For over 100 years, steel has built our world. Our homes, bridges, cars, and cities all depend on it. But there's a problem most people don't see. Steel is one of the biggest polluters on Earth. Every ton of steel made using coal releases huge amounts of carbon into the air. For decades, this pollution was seen as unavoidable. Until now. In China, something historic just happened. The world's first million-ton hydrogen steel production line has officially started operating. Instead of using coal, this plant uses hydrogen to make steel. Here's why that matters. In traditional steelmaking, coal reacts with iron ore and creates carbon dioxide. But hydrogen changes the chemistry. When hydrogen removes oxygen from iron ore, it creates water vapor, not CO2. That single change cuts emissions by 50 to 80%. Every year, this one factory will prevent more than 3.4 million tons of carbon pollution. That's like adding 2,000 square kilometers of forest. And this isn't a lab experiment. This is full-scale industrial production. It proves that even the world's dirtiest industries can change.